Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a day in a life type of video. I need to go to David's Bridal and pick out and order my dress for my sister's wedding. And this video is in collaboration with my good friend, the Ameachi Tribe here on YouTube. I'm going to let her introduce herself and then we are going to head out to David's Bridal.
Hi, my name is Wanda. I'm a grandmother raising my grandsons full-time. Over on my channel, you can find videos such as cleaning motivation, organization, grocery hauls, cooking, and so much more. When you finish watching this video, head on over and check us out on the Ameachi Tribe. You'll be happy that you did.
So you guys, like I said, I'm going to be vlogging on my phone pretty much the rest of the day because I don't feel like logging my camera with me. So we're gonna see how this work out, and hopefully my husband will record my videos right, because every time I ask my husband or my kids to get shots of me, y'all, they come out looking like I don't know. I don't know. And my room is a mess, as y'all can see. It is a hot mess up in here. So when I get back, I'm gonna tackle that, and I record myself doing it. I don't know, maybe I should do it now. And then my son is crying. What's the matter? I'll be back, y'all. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean my room because my husband is stuck in traffic and I don't have to worry about that when I get back. So I'm gonna go ahead and tackle that real quick, and then hopefully by the time that I'm done, he's here, and then we can just head on over there. But I already called them and let them know that I was running late, and the girl said it was fine. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tackle this room real quick.
Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love.
Okay guys, so my husband's here, so I'm about to leave out the door. Okay, Bobby. Bye, baby. See you later. Alright, y'all. I will see y'all when I get to David's.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
Okay guys, we just left David's Bridal and I did try on a dress. They didn't have my size, so I'm gonna have to go and order the dress, and yeah, so hopefully I won't fit. She took my measurements and everything, so we'll see. So now we're on our way back home. Hopefully my husband buy me some lunch. Guess that's enough. But I'll see y'all when we get back. Okay guys, I am back home, and I was supposed to record in David's bridal, but it was everybody and their mama was up in there, and the lady took my measurements, and then I tried on some of the dresses that they had there already, but it wasn't my size. I did try, girl, it was not going. Was not happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go on the website and order it, because they have it where you can order in store, but y'all, it was so much going on up in there. So I was just like, I'll just order it online. But luckily the girl gave me my measurements, and she put her name on the card, so she told me if I have any problems ordering online, and she gave me the store number so I can get free shipping. And yeah, so I'm about to go eat my lunch. I'm about to go ahead and eat my lunch. It's not too much going on today. Like, the only big thing that I had to do was go to David's bridal, and y'all see how that worked out. I wasn't even able to record in there, but I guess everybody and their mama is getting married in the next couple of months. So I'm about to go ahead and eat my lunch. I'll come back on here when I'm cooking dinner. I have no idea what I'm gonna cook yet. Hopefully I think I have an idea what I want to cook, but whatever it is going to be, it's going to be something quick and easy. I know that for sure. But I will catch you guys a little bit later, and I know we are going to watch the next episode of What If on Netflix. Y'all, it is so good. Go check that out. I'm telling y'all, it's so good. But yeah, I'll see you guys a little bit later when I come back. And hopefully I know what I'm gonna cook for dinner. Hey guys, back in the car. I ran out of rice, so we're about to head to the grocery store to get some more rice so that I can finish cooking dinner, and then hopefully chill the rest of the night. So I will see you guys at the groceries.
You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy.
Okay guys, so I'm about to make dinner, and tonight is just me throwing some leftovers in a pan and making it something great. Pretty much. So I'm just gonna take some leftover meatloaf that I had. I'm gonna use some vegetables, and I'm gonna make a gravy, and we're gonna have that over rice. See, you don't gotta do too much. Like, don't overthink it. You're a mom, you're gonna feed your kids. Don't stress yourself. Turning leftover meals into a meal, it works.
Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second.
Okay guys, so the rice is cooking right now, and then we are going to eat. I'm about to take this makeup off. Has a little bit while to go, but yeah, gonna take this makeup off, and then
Love, the things I love, the things I love. How we want the things I love, the things I love, the things Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one.
Okay, my beautifuls, if you have made it to the end, you are a real one. You are a real one. And if you came from Wanda's channel, I appreciate you stopping by. I hope you like my content enough that you will consider on subscribing. Please subscribe. Be a part of the YouTube fam bam over here. And you guys, please go show Wanda's channel a whole lot of love, because she is a woman with a whole lot of love. And you guys, she is just super duper sweet. She go hard for her grandchildren every single day. Go show her some love. Bye, dolls. I'll catch you on my next one.
Things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked.